Qatar Emiri Air Force, fighter jets, helicopters, and trainer jets list. Fighter jets. Das Alt, Rifle, Roll, Multi-Role Combat Aircraft, in service, 24. Das Alt, Mirage 2000, Roll, Multi-Role Combat Aircraft, in service, 9. Dornier, Alpha Jet, Roll, Light Attack Aircraft, in service, 6. Helicopters. Boeing, AH-64 Apache, Roll, Attack Helicopter, in service, 24. Augusta Westland, AW-139, Roll, Utility and Transport, in service, 19. Westland Sea King, Roll, Anti-Surface Warfare, in service, 11. Aerospatiale Gazelle, Roll, Armed Scout, in service, 13. Trainer jets. Das Alt, Mirage 2000, Roll, Conversion Trainer, in service, 3. Pilatus, PC-21, Roll, Primary Trainer, in service, 24. Pak Super Mushshak, Roll, Primary Trainer, in service, 8. On orders. Eurofighter Typhoon, Roll, Multi-Role Aircraft, on order, 24. F-15E Strike Eagle, Roll, Strike Fighter, on order, 36. Das Alt, Rifle, Roll, Multi-Role Aircraft, on order, 12. Boeing AH-64 Apache, Roll, Attack Helicopter, on order, 24. NH Industries NH-90, Roll, Utility and Transport, on order, 28. Eurocopter AS-350AQ Ruel, Roll, Rotorcraft Trainer, on order, 16. Systems Hawk 100, Roll, Advanced Trainer Jet, on order, 9. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel, share this video, like this video and comment.